perch. That's what I'm talking about. Guaranteed. They're gonna find my hooks wherever I am. Little perch. Alright. What else is out there? Should I keep him as cut bait? I think I should. I'm trying to see what else I can catch out there. Because these little suckers